Pakistan has several amazing places, from tall mountains to historic places, and delicious food. Whether you are drawn to the scenic landscapes or the rich cultural fabric, Pakistan welcomes you to embark on a memorable journey filled with diverse attractions and warm hospitality. You can stay in small hotels with mountain views or visit museums in various cities. List of 05 Most Beautiful Cities in Pakistan. Islamabad, Pakistan's modern capital, is surrounded by the beauty of nature. Many people explore beautiful places in Islamabad. It is considered the safest city in Pakistan, located between Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Punjab province. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is great for adventurers with its mountains, valleys, and farms. Punjab is known for its ancient culture and diverse religions. Islamabad has a mix of people from all over, giving it a Western vibe with tolerance and friendliness. The food is a mix too, with mouth-watering dishes from Punjab and KPK. Don't miss the pulio rice and karahi from Punjab, or the saji and lamb from KPK. The city has captivating modern buildings like the Faisal Mosque and Pakistan Monument. Places like Saidpur Village and Lok Versa Museum show off Pakistan's different cultures. For panoramic views, check out Darmanikor and Margola Hills. Best time to visit: April to November. Nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas, Murree is a charming hill station and a popular retreat for both locals and tourists. Known for its scenic beauty, lush greenery, and snow-capped peaks during winter, Murree offers a refreshing escape from the plains. Visitors can enjoy activities like horse riding, cable car rides, and scenic walks along Moor Road. Pindi Point and Kashmir Point provide breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. During winter, Murree transforms into a winter wonderland, attracting snow enthusiasts and nature lovers. The mall, lined with shops and cafes, is a perfect place to experience the local culture and indulge in traditional Kashmiri and Pakistani cuisine. Best time to visit: November to February. Abbottabad, known for its beauty and pleasant climate, is a gateway to some of Pakistan's most scenic destinations. Surrounded by hills and lush greenery, the city offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life. The city is famous for its educational institutions, including the Pakistan Military Academy of PMA. The Eliasi Mosque, a historic wooden mosque, and the Shimla Hill Viewpoint are notable attractions in Abbottabad. From Abbottabad, one can embark on journeys to nearby destinations like Nathiagali, Ayubia, and Thandiani, each offering its own unique charm and natural beauty. Best time to visit: September to November. Known as the Switzerland of Pakistan, Swat Valley is a picturesque destination surrounded by snow-capped mountains, lush green valleys, and meandering rivers. The valley has a rich cultural history and is dotted with archaeological sites. Mingora, the largest city in Swat, offers a blend of modern amenities and traditional charm. Malam Jabba, a famous hill station, attracts skiing enthusiasts during the winter season. Swat is known for its archaeological sites, including the Udigram Buddhist Monastery and the Butkara Stupa. The Malakand Pass, providing breathtaking views, is a scenic route to enter Swat Valley. Best time to visit: October to November. Hunza, a breathtaking valley in the Gilgit-Baltistan region, is renowned for its stunning landscapes, hospitable culture, and traditional stone houses. Surrounded by snow-capped peaks, Hunza offers panoramic views of Rakaposhi, Alta Sar, and Ladyfinger Peak. The ancient Baltit Fort and Altit Fort showcase the region's rich history. Karimabad, the main town in Hunza, offers a unique blend of modern amenities and traditional charm. Hunza is a paradise for trekkers and mountaineers, with trekking routes leading to Rakaposhi Base Camp and Alta Sar. The Atabad Lake, formed after a landslide, adds to the region's beauty with its turquoise waters. Best time to visit: May to September. Pakistan is a country blessed with diverse natural landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and vibrant urban centers. The list of the 05 most beautiful cities showcases the nation's unique blend of historical significance, modern development, and breathtaking scenery. As a testament to the country's hospitality and cultural richness, these cities beckon visitors to embark on a journey that goes beyond mere sightseeing, inviting them to discover the heart and soul of Pakistan. June is an incredible time to travel, and these destinations offer something for everyone, whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or cultural experiences. Which destination are you adding to your bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Safe travels and see you in the next video.